Aries, March 21st to April 19th. Love and relationships. Sparks fly this week, but are they passion or tension? A surprise encounter could reignite old feelings. Stay open, but don't rush. Patience will reveal true intentions. If you're in a relationship, deep conversations can strengthen your bond. Money and career. A sudden opportunity arises. Act fast. A bold move in your career could set you on a new path. Financially, avoid impulse spending. Midweek, a small risk could bring a big reward, but only if you've done your research. Health and well-being. Your energy fluctuates, so balance is key. Avoid overexertion and take time to recharge. Pay attention to headaches or tension. Your body is trying to tell you something. Mystical tip: beware of a stranger wearing blue. They may bring unexpected news. On Thursday, lighting a white candle invites clarity and good fortune. Taurus, April 20th to May 20th. Love and relationships, emotional security is your theme this week. If single, someone reliable enters your orbit. Pay attention. In relationships, stability grows, but only if you express your true feelings. Money and career. A project you've been working on finally gains recognition. However, don't let praise distract you from pushing forward. Money-wise, a slow and steady approach is best. Avoid risky investments. Health and well-being. Your body craves relaxation. A detox or a break from digital screens could do wonders. Midweek, focus on grounding activities, nature walks, meditation, or even gardening. Mystical tip: on Wednesday, an old song may trigger an important memory. A red object near you will bring unexpected luck. Keep an eye out. Gemini, May 21st to June 20th. Love and relationships. Your charm is magnetic this week, but be mindful. Flirting without direction may cause confusion. A deep conversation on Friday could reveal hidden feelings. If partnered, a sudden revelation strengthens your bond. Money and career. A creative idea needs action. Don't let doubt hold you back. Networking is your golden ticket this week. Be wary of misinformation at work and trust your instincts when dealing with contracts. Health and well-being. Your mind is racing, but is your body keeping up? Physical activity will help clear mental fog. Watch out for minor accidents. Slow down when rushing. Mystical tip: a book or article you stumble upon will hold a hidden message for you. Pay attention to repeating numbers. Your angels are trying to tell you something. Cancer, June 21st to July 22nd. Love and relationships. Deep emotions surface, and it's time to be honest with yourself. Someone from your past may reappear. Should you open the door or leave it closed? If in a relationship, a heartfelt conversation will clear lingering doubts. Money and career. Financial stability is within reach, but only if you stay disciplined. A career shift is possible. Trust your intuition when making a decision. A mentor or experienced colleague may offer valuable advice. Listen carefully. Health and well-being. Protect your energy. Emotional stress might take a toll, so prioritize self-care. Sleep is crucial now. Avoid late-night overthinking. Mystical tip: a dream early in the week holds a hidden message. Write it down. On Thursday, placing a silver object near your bed can enhance intuition. Leo, July 23rd to August 22nd. Love and relationships. Your confidence is magnetic. Expect admiration, but choose wisely. Some admirers may not have the best intentions. In relationships, focus on quality time rather than grand gestures. Money and career. Your leadership skills are shining, and a promotion or recognition is possible. However, avoid power struggles. Collaboration is key. Money-wise, stay alert. An unexpected expense could arise. Health and well-being. High energy levels push you forward, but don't burn out. Balance work and play. Moderation is your best strategy. A new exercise routine could bring great results. Mystical tip: pay attention to a black cat crossing your path. It's not a bad omen, but a sign of upcoming change. Wearing gold this week boosts your luck. Virgo, August 23rd to September 22nd. Love and relationships. Overanalyzing emotions could block romantic opportunities. Let things flow naturally. Love doesn't always follow logic. If you're in a relationship, small, thoughtful gestures will speak louder than words. Money and career organization is your superpower, but don't get lost in details. A financial opportunity arises. Be practical, but don't hesitate too long. Midweek, a conversation could open new career doors. Health and well-being. Your body needs balance. Watch your digestion and avoid overloading your schedule. Relaxation techniques like meditation or stretching will help ease tension. Mystical tip: a feather you find this week is a sign of protection. On Friday, lighting a green candle will attract prosperity. Before we dive into the next signs, if you're enjoying your horoscope, make sure to like this video to attract positive energy. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss your weekly predictions. Hit that notification bell to stay ahead of the stars. Now let's see what the universe has in store for the next signs. Libra, September 23rd to October 22nd. Love and relationships. A romantic twist is on the horizon. An unexpected confession could leave you speechless. If in a relationship, focus on emotional connection rather than surface-level issues. Avoid overthinking. Sometimes, love is meant to be felt, not analyzed. Money and career. A financial decision requires careful consideration. Don't rush into agreements. Read the fine print. A work opportunity could arise through social connections, so stay open to networking. Health and well-being. Stress levels may rise, so prioritize balance. Indulge in self-care. Whether it's a spa day or simply turning off your phone for a while, your body will thank you. Mystical tip: seeing 1111 repeatedly? It's a sign you're on the right path. A blue stone, like lapis lazuli, will enhance clarity and intuition this week. Scorpio, October 23rd to November 21st. Love and relationships. Passion is running high. Sparks could fly in unexpected places. If you're single, an intense connection may surface. If in a relationship, focus on trust. Jealousy and secrecy could create unnecessary drama. Money and career. A power move is in the making. A bold career decision could lead to success, but only if you trust yourself. Money is flowing, but avoid impulse spending. Think long-term investments instead. Health and well-being. Your energy is high, but emotional stress could drain you. Release tension through physical activity or creative outlets. Pay attention to your dreams. They carry hidden messages. Mystical tip: the color black protects you from negativity this week. Carrying a small obsidian stone will shield your energy. Sagittarius, November 22nd to December 21st. Love and relationships. Adventure is calling. Whether single or taken, this week brings exciting opportunities in love. Keep an open heart. Romance could come from an unexpected place. Money and career. Taking risks may pay off, but don't leap without a plan. Midweek, a chance to expand your career appears. Grab it. Financially, be mindful of unnecessary expenses. Health and well-being. Your enthusiasm is great, but don't neglect rest. Your body needs balance. Get enough sleep and hydrate properly. Avoid overindulgence in food or alcohol. Mystical tip: seeing a shooting star or finding a coin is a sign of luck. On Thursday, light a purple candle to attract positive energy. Capricorn, December 22nd to January 19th. Love and relationships. A serious conversation is needed. Whether you're single or in a relationship, honesty will be your strongest tool. A past love may resurface. Are they here for closure or a second chance? Trust your instincts. Money and career. This is a week of progress. Your efforts are being noticed, and a leadership opportunity may arise. Be cautious with large investments. Research thoroughly before making financial commitments. Health and well-being. Watch for tension headaches or muscle stiffness. Your body is signaling stress. Take time to unwind. A hot bath with essential oils will do wonders for your energy. Mystical tip: an old book or message holds a hidden answer for you this week. Pay close attention to repeated numbers, especially 444. It's a sign of protection and stability. Aquarius, January 20th to February 18th. Love and relationships. Someone is drawn to your unique energy. If single, you might attract a soulmate connection. If in a relationship, communication will strengthen your bond. Speak from the heart, even if it feels risky. Money and career. A new idea or collaboration could be your golden ticket. Your creativity is at an all-time high, so pitch that project or take the leap into something new. Finances are steady, but avoid reckless spending. Health and well-being. Your mind is full of ideas, but don't neglect your body. Grounding activities, like meditation or time in nature, will help balance your energy. Pay attention to gut health this week. Mystical tip: if a black cat crosses your path, don't fear. It's actually a sign of protection. Keep a silver object with you for luck. Pisces, February 19th to March 20th. Love and relationships. Emotions are deep, and your intuition is stronger than ever. If single, someone from your dreams might appear in real life. If taken, romantic surprises could spark passion again. Let your heart lead the way. Money and career. Creativity will bring financial rewards. Your talents are valuable. Consider ways to monetize them. A financial opportunity may come through an unexpected source. Be open but discerning. Health and well-being. Your energy is sensitive, so protect your peace. Avoid draining environments and surround yourself with positivity. A salt bath or cleansing ritual will help refresh your spirit. Mystical tip. If you see a white feather, it's a message from the universe. Write down your dreams. They hold prophetic insights this week. That's your weekly horoscope. But remember, the stars guide you. You create your destiny. Which prediction resonated with you the most? Drop your sign in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss your cosmic update. See you next week for more insights from the universe.